Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable find my device setting in our Realme phone device. Friends, we want to disable your find my device setting in your Realme phone. So how can you disable it? Today I will show you in this video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your find my device setting. As you don't want to use guys find my device setting, as you want to disable it in your Realme phone device. So how can you disable? So as you can see guys, your Realme phone guys password and security setting. We will click on password and security setting. So friends, you can see guys your system security setting guys, tap here guys, second option find my device guys, tap here. So when you can see use find my device setting guys, and guys you don't want to use guys, you want to disable guys, right side icon, tap here to disable find my device setting. Find my device will disable guys. Now we cannot use find my device setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet a next video guys with with new topic. I hope friends you have understood how to disable find my device. So that's it guys, bye bye.